Today we're gonna bring something simple. It's a shoe stretcher, right? So unfortunately, I did just got some new shoes, and I got to break them in, but I just it keeps hurting on certain areas. So because my feet's a little crazy, and these are size 13, and unfortunately, a lot of makers that make the shoes they make them real tight in certain areas, especially for big guys like me. This is a crucial thing I use a lot. Now, it's easy to actually use all this stuff, right? They give you even to actually remove the shoes, right? Which is something I don't normally use because once I kind of loosen them up, it feels so good. So I'm going to show you guys how to put these together. So these lined up in the areas that you want to stretch. So I want to stretch it out in this particular area and just keep adding wherever you want to actually stretch it, right? So pretty much on this area that I like to be. Just remember that once you set these up, you have to leave them there hanging for a couple of days, maybe a day or so, two, because this leather, especially leather, takes a while. So now it's easy to adjust. All right, so all you got to do is open it up, and it's going to start widening it up. You can actually see the line opening right here, if you guys can see. So it pushes away from the actual area, and that's how you're going to actually get the shoe to go in there. Now, bring it back. There you go. All you got to do is place the places that you're going to have the issues on, and you put in your shoe. And of course, it works for left or right. And all you got to do is twist it. Twist it until it doesn't come out no more, and then you can feel the actual extra. There it is, right there. So right here, you can even see the actual bump right there. You see that? It's stretching the actual leather as it is. So this is going to help me out, stretch out my leg just a little bit, but this works very well. You could even hang these. So you could hang them. Even you could use this in case you get them, your shoes wet or something, you want to dry them. You could use this as a dryer too. I've used it before in the past as a dryer, which is great. Leave it on the sun and so forth. So once you loosen it up, this thing comes out easily. Simple. So any kind of shoe that you want to stretch, tennis, um, dress shoes, pretty much any, even sandals too, right? So if you have that shoe that you love to wear, but it doesn't fit good, it just looks good, then this might be for you. So very simple, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.